Again, I might be off. Who cares? Okay, we're just having fun. This is fun. Today we're doing an unboxing, a haul from Fragrance Buy. Your fragrance wardrobe just got cooler. Okay, we have some packaging with peanuts. I hate the peanuts. Let's start with the first one. The first one I saw. This one is Oud 24 Hours. This one is by... I'm not sure. I don't remember what I ordered, to be honest with you. This is from Ard Al Zaafaran Trading. Okay, so this is on Al Zaafaran's Trading. Oud 24 Hours. I'll be honest with you, I don't remember ordering this, so this is going to be interesting. I have no idea what to expect. This is the box. It's a little dented right there, unfortunately. It's a pretty box. It's very intricate. So, this has 24 hours. Interesting. Eau de perfume, Oud 24 Hours. It's a black and gold design. Literally don't remember ordering this, so great. We're doing great so far. And it has something else with it. So there's another thing in here. It has a perfume spray. So that also comes with it. Do you see that? It's like going everywhere. Oh, that smells good. It's giving me clean, sweet flowers. Clean, sweet flowers. It smells pretty good on first sniff. Okay, so second one. Haramain Detour Noir. It's giving me teenager vibes. I don't know why. It gives me something like I would buy when I was like a teenager. And oh, I remember this. Okay. So this is Detour Noir. This is a very cheap looking bottle. Very clunkily made. It has like a swoop design type of thing, but it feels very poorly made. Okay, this one's pressured atomizer. Okay. This one's giving me woody. What is that? What is that? I'm getting a lot of wood from this. I'm getting a lot of... There's no sweetness. There's like wood, maybe citrusy. Burnt? Like burnt wood? Maybe leather somewhere in there. And then something I don't recognize, maybe incense. That's the vibes I'm getting. I don't know. I might be completely off with that, but those are the general initial things. And there's a scent that I can't put my finger on it, and it's bugging the hell out of me. Like the main scent, which you're probably saying, what are you talking about? It smells like this. There's something that I'm smelling that I recognize. I know what it is. I just can't think about it right now. Oh my God, what is that? Okay, so that one, interesting scent. This is a very interesting scent. It smells interesting. There's nothing else I can say about that. I'm guessing I think this leans a little bit Middle East, more Middle Eastern than I normally. Maybe it's oud that I'm smelling, but it's woody. It's burny wood, incense, leather, that kind of thing. I have no idea if any of those notes are right. It might be completely wrong. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if it's completely wrong. This one I got by mistake. I thought it was the complete bottle, and I ended up buying sample of it. So I'm stupid. Yay. Moschino Toy Boy. It's adorable. Look at that. That is so cute. That's adorable. That's adorable. I love this. I think I like this better than the actual bottle. It's so cute. Oh, this is classic. This is classic men. This reminds me of teenager, college, what dudes used to wear back in the day. Citrusy, leathery, maybe, no, citrusy, woodsy kind of thing. Yeah, this is very classic. This is classic, like your typical manly perfume. Like this doesn't smell anything groundbreaking to me. I'm gonna let it develop to see what it smells like afterwards, but so far that just gives me dude. Nothing groundbreaking, so I'm not super excited about that one. I'm glad I got a tester of it. Again, it might be off. Who cares? Okay, we're just having fun. This is fun. Next one. Music Fest by Olfactory Curated Fragrances of Fragrance World. I got this for my partner. This is essentially, he really wanted something that smelled like Jazz Club, but Jazz Club didn't really last long. It was very meh. There's a picture of like a music concert there. Opening it up. Yeah, the bottle has the same vibe look as the original. I like the cap. The cap is a little bit more interesting than the original. Oh, okay, there it is. This went on a trip so quickly. Like, this is insane. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. 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 Okay. This seems like a pretty good doopy doop of Jazz Club. Great. It smells tobacco intense, leathery, possibly. The beginning gave me a huge punch of citrus, so I was very confused. Or a huge punch of something like citrusy, flowery kind of thing. I was like, what is this? This is not... I was worried. I was like, did I get the wrong thing? I was like, oh. And then it quickly moved towards what it's supposed to smell like. I don't love it personally, but we'll see. It smells better. I think it's smoother than Jazz Club. So I will test it out more and let you guys know. The Horsies. So this is called The Horsies by Lattafa. I'm just kidding. This is called Art of Nature by Lattafa. I was super excited by this. One of my favorite fragrances is Liquid Brune. So, and I'm gonna get a decant of Altair at some point so I can test it out versus Liquid Brune and see like how close it is. And then there's supposed to be like another version of that. And I'm just like, I'm so in love with Liquid Brune. I want to see if this one is similar to that. This is a beautiful box. Look at your cells. Aren't you pretty? There's like a rose gold box that opens up to reveal an ugly bottle. What is up with that? I don't get Lattafa's obsession with this type of bottle. To me, this looks so strange. Like, it just feels cheap. I don't know. I prefer their more elaborate bottles. That's good. It's like a musky vanilla. It's sweet, but not overpoweringly sweet. It's very sexy. Oh, it has this like spice. It's like a, oh my God, it's so good. Do I like this better than Liquid Brune though? I don't know. But they're, oh, so good. Okay, I'm having like emotional. I'm having an emotional crisis here. Oud 24 hours. This has already changed quite a bit. The super sweetness, the super hit that I got at the beginning, it's completely different now. We have a more subdued wittiness to this. It's oudi. It's spicy. Detour Noir. It's very herbally, very green. This one smells green to me. Very herbally, very kind of medicine-y. kind of green. I'm thinking this reminds me a little bit of matcha. Yeah, kind of like matcha with a little bit of sweetness, with a little bit of citrusy notes. This is what this is kind of giving me. I think that's what I was thinking about before. What was this reminding me of? This kind of reminds me of grass a little bit, like fresh cut grass. This is kind of what that's giving me at this point in time. Then, oh Jesus, that's not a good reaction. Jesus, it smells like cigarettes. Okay, so this one smells like smoke. Okay, so this one smells very strong. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna talk about this one later, but this smells very strong of tobacco, leather, dark. This is a very dark, moody fragrance. Yeah, oh, it's not my bag, but I get why people. It's very smoky, very strong. It's gonna give me a headache. This is so good. This is a sexy beast. Yeah, I'm loving this one. This one's great. So far, this one smells very close to Liquid Brune. I think this one smells a little bit more spicy, a little less citrusy than Liquid Brune. Very good. I love this. Now I have to think about longevity and like all that stuff and how it projects and everything. But so far, it smells really good. So far. And then finally, Moschino Toy Boy. This one, yeah, it smells like dudes from college. I don't know, like fresh, citrusy. This is very summer. I'll give a review down the line of these 5 fragrances. Let me know if there's any one specifically that you would like to see first. If not, they'll go in the back of the pile of all the stuff that I want to review and cover. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to always smell your best. See ya.